Devanshi. Today's video topic is a data structure and algorithm. First one is a data structure is a tutorial provides a basic and advanced concept of a data structure. Our data structure is designed for beginners and professionals. Data structure is a way to store and organize data so that it can be used efficiently. Our data structure includes all topics of data structure such as array, pointer, structure, linked list, stack, queue, graph, searching, sorting, programs, etc. First of all is what is data structure. Data structure name indicates itself that organizing the data in memory. There are many way of organizing the data in the memory, as we have already seen one of the data structure. That is array in C language. Array is a collection of memory elements in which in which data is stored sequentially, such that one after another. In other words, we can say that the array stores the elements in a continuous manner. This organization of data is done with the help of an array of data structure. There are also other ways to organize the data in memory. The data structure is not any programming language like a C, C++, Java, etc. It is a set of algorithms that we can use any programming language to structure the data in the memory. To structure the data in memory, n number of algorithms were proposed, and all these algorithms are known as a abstract data type. These abstract data type are the set of rules, algorithm, abstract data types. Types of a data structure. There are two types of data structure: primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. First off is a primitive data structure. The primitive data structure are primitive data types. The int, char, float, double, and pointer are the primitive data structure that can hold a single value. Next is a non-primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structure is divided into two types: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear data structure, the arrangement of the data in sequential manner, is known as a linear data structure. The data structure used for these are arrays, linked list, stack, queue. In this data structure, one element is connected to only one another element in a linear form. When one element is connected to the n number of elements, known as a non-linear data structure. The best example of tree and graphs. In this case, elements are arranged in random manner. Next is the data structure can also be classified as a two ways: static data structure and dynamic data structure. First off is the static. It is the type of a data structure where the size is allocated at the compiler time. The maximum size is fixed. And the dynamic data structure, it is a type of data structure where the size is allocated at the runtime. Therefore, the maximum size is flexible.